to reach high God. Hi little buns, welcome to Little Bunny's workshop. Today you must be wondering, what are we going to learn? We're not going to learn anything today. You're going to be like, what? What else are we going to do today? Sit down and get bored? Nope. Today we're going to have a lot of fun. Wait, fun? What fun? School fun. Even though if you're not even going to school or there are only a few days left, you need school supplies. What? You haven't bought any yet? Well, if your school is starting soon, then you have to get school supplies. Or else throughout the school year, you may not have the right supplies you need. So please get some supplies or essentials before the school starts. Well, I have brought my essentials. Let's get started. So, what is the most essential part of your school supplies? What? Come on guys, it's simple. It's a school bag. This backpack is my favorite because it's my favorite color. Pink, and it has beautiful fairies and everything. And this small one, you can put your pencils. In this one, you can put tiny notebooks if you want to. Over here, you can put some notebooks for school. Here, you can put your textbooks. So now, let's move on. Okay, so now let's see what I have in my backpack. The first thing I have in this is some Scotch tape. What is Scotch tape used for? So see, here's some Scotch tape. Scotch tape is very essential. But why? For arts and crafts, sometimes glue does not work and you need Scotch tape. But you don't have. So this is kind of the most essential school supply for your school arts and craft sessions. So now let's move on. Now we have this small binder, colorful binder clips. Wait a minute. You now may be wondering, where am I buying all this from? It's from Amazon. For everything, meaning everything I have, are in the links in the description below. So if you want to grab some of these things for yourself, the links are free in the description. So I have these binder clips. There are about 60 binder clips. So there are lots of colors: pink, blue, yellow, green. Let's open one and see. Let's take a few and see. Let's see the colors. Okay, so we have some pink. We have some pink binder clips, some blue ones, some yellow, and some small green binder clips. Wow! No one must have expected binder clips comes in such beautiful colors. So now let's move on to the next. I have this new pencil sharpener from Apsara. Wow, this is the best sharpeners of all times. It has like beautiful gorgeous colors. I want to just see one, so I'll just open up this box because we know the three main colors: blue, red and black. But I'm wondering, is green and yellow sharpeners in this? Oh my god, bunnies, yes. See here, we have also yellow. They have now provided us with yellow ones. Wait, is there any greens? Let's check. So here's the box. Okay, so right now it's only yellow. Oh no, this is only one color sharpeners. These are only one color sharpeners. They come in yellow. Darn it, I was really expecting these colorful. Anyways, let's move on. Let's into my backpack. Oh my god, look at this! A sticky note booklet. And let's see it open and have a closer look. Okay, so it's kind of hard. So for you little guys, it's going to be kind of hard. So ask a parent for help. Well, I'm going to show you if you want to open it by yourself. So I'm just going to ask my help from my parents to help me open this. So this is the sticky note booklet. Let's open it. Wow, over here we have blue sticky notes. Here we have orange, here we have some green ones, here we have pink, here we have some yellows, and here we have all sticky notes in small sizes. Wow, this booklet is sure amazing. That's something we can say. So like if you need a sticky note and you can write like doubts on this thing. So here's a closer look. Nice. So you can write all your doubts on this. You can use these tiny ones especially to bookmark. Sometimes you have to make a character atlas or something like that. So you can use this sticky note to like put the character's name and where it describes the character. So you can use these as for that. Now let's leave this aside and move on. Oh wow, look at these markers. Let's open one up and see. Wow, these all are from Faber-Castell. Let's just open this red. I want to try out this red one. Let's try out this nice marker. This is a tough choice. I think I will use this nice pink one. Let's see how it works. Wow, look. It's writing very nice. See, it writes super nice in any color you choose. So I bet all these colors are just as bright and beautiful as this one is. So we may need this sheet of paper for extra. So I'll just leave this here. Next thing, highlighters. There are 5 colors as normal highlighters. Pink, yellow, blue, green and orange. I know the orange is not much clear. So let me just show you the orange color so that you have a close idea of what are the highlighters made of. I'm just going to take out a blue one. Wow. This highlighter works pretty well. They're going to be like, why have you brought highlighters for a 4th grader? Well, highlighters are kind of essential. You will need these to like highlight terms. You can highlight terms with this, dates, all of those important things in comprehensions, long paragraphs. So these may come in handy. Let's put these aside here and move on. These are some essentials you will need. And here we have these nice Pilot erasable pens. You'll be like, what? Erasable pens existed? Well, yes, they existed for a long time. I haven't known till this year. You'll be like, what? Yes, I have known about these for a long time and wanting. Finally, I have got these. Okay, so I'll just take out this tape and try this nice red Pilot pen out. Let's try these out. Here are they. Now let's try this. Now let's try these out. Okay, so it works good. Wow, it also erases. I'm like, what? Pens erase? Well, these are special ones. So, yes. Okay, so I'm not able to work this one out because it's like not working. But oh well, friends, let's just move on. Let's just put this in the bag and stop wasting our time. So let's just put all these back into their box and move on. We will need this paper for later, maybe. Okay, the next thing I have in here are some nice Apsara pencils. You're going to be like, wow, these pencils are awesome. Well, I'm hoping too they are. Because I've been going on with Apsara for a couple of years. So these are the pencils. So these, okay, so here is one of the view of one of the boxes. So they're like the same except I bought two. One I can use and one for backup. Okay, so obviously it's very essential that in all of things we get a sharpener. Okay, I got not able to get the next thing out. Okay, so we have this nice eraser with a eraser holder. That's nice. So this is like comfortable. It has this nice fingerprint thing so that you're comfortable by erasing. Yes. And now let's see a few pencils. So these are how I'm just gonna take one out. This is how they look. They're like silver, but still they're beautiful. I love these things. Let's just put these back and so that we can move on. Let's just put everything aside and move on. So now the next thing in this is some correction tape. Sometimes you need correction tapes to correct your notes, sometimes if you write them by pen. So I'm just going to take one out of this and try it out. Okay, so I've taken out this nice blue one. I don't know what it is from, but still let's try it out. So here we have the other colors. I'm just going to... Okay, so let's try this wipeout tape out. I don't like have right now normal pens in front, so I'm just going to... that I have taken out. So I'm just going to use one wipeout so that you can see. So if you can see closely, I have written Sana here. And I want to like correct it, but not by erasing. Then how? So this wipeout tape makes it possible. Whoa, did you see that? It just cleared it off. So that is cool. It dries out super quickly, so you can just rewrite on this. So that is super cool. Anyways, let's move on. Let me just put this pen back in the box and put these wipeouts aside. Yes. Okay, so next thing I have in this are these nice matte color Peps gel pens. Okay, so here they are in clearer look. I don't know how to get these out of here, so I'm just gonna open this out and use the tape, open half the tape and open this out. So here they are there. Wow, look at these bright colors. Which one should I use to show you? I think for this job, I'm gonna use some red. Let's put the rest. Let's put this over here. Now let's try it out. Okay, so here they are. Here's the crayon. I'm just gonna write crayon. So this is on your crayon. I was wrong. This is not marker. Let's sew this. This is twisting. Like when it's exhausted or this tip is used, you can pull some more out like lipstick. That is so cool. I'm just going to put this back and move on with our next one. Because I don't want to be a messy girl. So, okay, so let's move on. The next thing I have in here are these lead mechanical pencils. So here's a closer look. So that is nice. I'm just going to take one out to try. I'm just going to open this to get one out to try. Okay, so here I've opened it kind of. So I'm just going to try to get one out of here. Okay, so I'm able to get one out. So I'm going to just take this one and take the lid out. Okay, so here we have it. This works super neat. Okay, so I think it has a eraser. Oh, look, it has an eraser at the back. So you can like eraser it. It's like an emergency eraser and that is cool. So it comes with some refills for each and a big giant eraser free. So let's just see these lead refills. Okay, so I'm not able to take them out like at one, like that, like expecting. So I'm just gonna have to take it out. Okay, so I finally found the refill. This is the green one and I believe it is with, okay, I'm not really sure. Which one is it? Wait a minute. I think I can know it. This one goes with green. Just follow the colors. Oh my god, we have one red, blue and orange. It's going to be down super tough. Fine. But it has the lead sizes written too, at least we can find the pairs. This matches with this. You can just tell by color. And also the size is written. So you can easily tell that these make a pair. Okay, so they don't have no matching colors. So I'm going to have to now look at the sizes. Okay, so this is 0.5. And this is 0.5. So I believe these are the pair. We don't have to like look at the sizes because we can easily tell that these make the pair. So these are our pairs here. And it comes with a free eraser. You can see this. Okay, so let's take it out. Let's take it out. That was just a silly voice I can do. And here's a glue stick. It'll be like, what is a glue stick for? Because we have like normal Faber-Castell. What is a glue stick? So sometimes Faber-Castell doesn't work and it's a bit too runny and goes all slimy on our hands. And you want to stick something smoothly. So a glue stick allows us to do that. So see here. So let's open this. Okay, so Amazon by itself made this glue stick. Like any normal one, it will be like this, just the same. Like any normal glue stick, it works the same. So I'm fine with this. So the last thing in the bag are these mermaid pens. You're like, what? But these are even better. I'm just gonna take one out. I mean, like, oh no, the Amazon sells the wrong ones. Nope, this is the pen cover to keep it protected. Now see. Now working like a dream. Now but what more? Wow, LED lights. But you didn't see that one coming. But you didn't see this one coming. Look, also it has gel and glitter. So that's cool. Okay, look, you can control like the glitter. And that's super cool. I love this a lot. So there are plenty of different colors to go around with. Let's just have a look at them. So there are lots of pinks, but still there are a few other colors, so I'm fine. They're like different shades, if you can see the mermaid tails. So these are one pair, these make a pair, and I'm guessing these are, even though they're not the same, they make a pair. Let us try this. Oh no, look what happened to this. Okay, I'm just gonna try and fix it. Okay, thank God I'm able to fix it. So just as same, they work the same. You want to see them all with lights? Let's go. Let's open each and every one with the lights. Let's make this room dark and then see these lights glow. Wow, look. They're glowing like beautiful sparkly stuff. And now what? Even better, they're glitter pen, mermaid glitter pen. So they're working like a dream. That's so cool. Oops, I forgot something so important that is very necessary for your desk. That is a pencil holder. This one matches with my desk, but you can buy any that matches with your desk. Let's see the sections. So in this one, I think I'm going to just keep these pencils. In this one, maybe I'll keep some pens. Maybe I'll keep these pens. What will I keep here? Good question. Maybe I'll put some lead and maybe an eraser. And that's all I think I'm gonna keep in this. Oh, and I think I'm gonna keep these here. So that is, I think these are the only things I want to keep in this for now. But you can like really customize this and put anything you like in this. So you can really like customize. These are just a few ideas of what you can put when you get any stationery of your own. Well, but these are what I will put. And I'm gonna like, what is this section for? Maybe I can use this for my highlighters, some sticky notes or anything like that. You can even put a whole book. Well, who had thought of that? So little bun buns, this is all my parents have bought me for this school year. If you want any of these supplies, some you may like correction tape, highlighters, some you don't. So the links are in the description below. So you can just quickly go, grab them for yourself and then enjoy. Bye little bun buns. Boop. Bye. I'm just gonna hear dancing with disco lights.